Turmeric is a powerful herb that has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, especially in India and Southeast Asia. It contains an active compound called curcumin, which is responsible for many of its health benefits. Turmeric is widely known for its natural anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce swelling and pain associated with conditions like arthritis and other chronic illnesses. It also boasts strong antioxidant qualities that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, promoting overall health. Additionally, turmeric is beneficial for digestion, as it stimulates bile production in the liver and can help alleviate issues like bloating and indigestion. Some studies suggest that turmeric may also help improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression by increasing serotonin levels in the brain. Moreover, turmeric strengthens the immune system thanks to its antibacterial and antiviral properties. To use turmeric, you can prepare it as tea by boiling water with a small amount of turmeric powder, and you can enhance the taste by adding honey or lemon. Turmeric is also available in supplement form, allowing for concentrated intake. You can easily add turmeric powder to your food, such as soups, rice, or smoothies, to enjoy its health benefits. For better absorption of curcumin, it's recommended to consume turmeric with black pepper, as well as healthy fats like coconut oil or olive oil. Turmeric is not only a delicious addition to your meals, but also a potent ingredient that can boost your overall health and prevent various diseases. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about the benefits of herbs and natural remedies, be sure to subscribe to the channel and stay updated on all the valuable content we share with you.